Sigma men are frequently labeled as cold and heartless. This, however, couldn't be farther from the truth. They genuinely care about those close to them, and they experience feelings just like everyone else. The distinction for Sigma men is that they prefer to concentrate on factual information and practical methods of accomplishing tasks. As a result, they bury their feelings in the process. They don't place as much emphasis on emotions and feelings because they can't prove them or find concrete ways to comprehend and predict them. This makes things more difficult for the Sigma, so they rely more on facts and evidence. Just because they bury their emotions doesn't mean they don't get hurt. Everyone has to deal with having their feelings hurt from time to time. It happens every now and then, and in some cases, it is more extreme than in others. While some people may cope by burying their feelings and moving on, this is not everyone's natural reaction. It is not a bad thing to be sensitive to hurt feelings. Emotions are a normal part of life. Some personality types appear to be more vulnerable to receiving hurt feelings, particularly from those they care about. Others appear to be more difficult to offend or get under their skin, but that does not make it impossible. Anyone with very human emotions will be hurt from time to time, whether it is the result of a deliberate attempt to wound or an accident. Sigma men don't often allow people to get close enough to them to truly hurt them. They can be guarded about their feelings and interactions because they value and they don't take their sense of loyalty lightly. They want to be certain that someone is worth their time and effort, so it may take some time for that person to earn their trust. When Sigma males allow someone close to them, they, like everyone else, can have their feelings hurt. They value their loved ones' opinions and actions. Because Sigmas are often more thick-skinned with how people express themselves verbally, actions can hurt their feelings even more than words. Despite the fact that Sigma men aren't always diplomatic, they prefer honesty and avoid being offended or hurt by certain things. Sigmas are particularly sensitive to certain actions or indicators of betrayal. The Sigma men will be extremely hurt if someone goes behind their back or does not defend them when they are being slandered. When they allow someone to be close to them, they want that person to be committed to that relationship and connection. So having someone betray their trust hurts the Sigma's feelings and makes it difficult for them to stay close to that person. Sigma males can be blunt in their communication style. As a result, they don't always find themselves sifting these emotions in the best way. They will rely on facts rather than trying to express their true inner feelings. They will lay things out and demonstrate that they are not okay with this loved one doing the things that have hurt them. But they may not say it because their feelings are hurt, but rather because it violates their boundaries and sense of morals. They may not express their inner feelings about the situation and how much it hurt them. This is why Sigma men may find it more difficult to express when someone has hurt them through something they verbalize rather than something they do and can tangibly measure the offense. When someone does something small or simply says something that hurts the Sigma's feelings, they may not process it the same way or find it easy to express their feelings had been hurt. Instead, they are likely to suppress it and move forward, not seeing it as something they should discuss, especially if they know the other person didn't mean to upset them. Being direct and honest is always the best policy for Sigma males, but it can be difficult when they have certain emotions that they haven't processed well enough to express. When someone offends their feelings, they may benefit from writing down their thoughts and feelings. Seeing it written down and being able to see right through everything can help them gain a more tangible understanding of what is going on in their hearts and minds. Being Sigma men aren't always great at expressing their own emotions. It can be difficult to understand why they are so hurt by this person. When they care deeply for someone, they make themselves more vulnerable to being hurt by those close to them. They care about how their loved ones perceive them, so when they are hurt, it may surprise both the Sigmas and everyone else. They try to be realistic about these things in order to avoid appearing dramatic or sentimental. While it can make them more rational in most situations, it is still necessary to process and comprehend these emotions in order to move forward properly. When they care about someone, Sigma males are not afraid to be honest, but they don't always find it simple for them to be honest with themselves about their feelings. They can analyze a situation and recognize when someone is betraying them. However, when it comes to minor issues that they believe should not bother them, Sigmas may find it hard to accept that their feelings are hurt. They can improve their ability to process emotions and express them over time in a way that does not feel foolish to their loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video of Superior Mentor.